sometimes, all the time.
Alright.
You see, that was smooth, you know?
Alright, you see me? Like how me smooth like you rub me down at night time, baby.
What? How are you rubbing down?
I chew. And me I rub it down. Me I stop now because at my time.
Why?
About 10 years now and me alone I do it.
You like, you see it's wicked?
So guess what? Guess what now?
To that Sunday, don't tell a lie.
So that's different Sunday and Monday.
Today is the Lord's day.
No man, every day Lord day.
Every day the Lord day,
okay.
but today I'm feeling day we dedicate to him, you know?
Okay, okay.
I don't know. So you so me rub it down?
Probably that, but me no remember. It's so long.
Anything we ever do for you, you never remember them. So at this point, I just didn't do shit.
Alright, look on this. How do you know? May I say? May I go do all fruits. Right?
Okay.
I not talk to you. I talk to the people.
Talk to them.
May I do all fruits. But so eat all fruits for 2 weeks. And look on she now. You know what she make? My favorite chicken.
What is that? What's the favorite chicken? Cause since you know what me I make.
Then fried down, baby?
No, it's not.
Oh. Oh yeah though.
I do some curry chicken.
Okay, okay.
Stop it. Get some help.
No, you know what, through me ear I talk to Devon, you know. And I say Ray.
It's like mix up. You're not getting facts straight now. Come out here, come and attack me.
Okay, okay. Now you can go and do your curry chicken.
Oh, you don't care about the curry chicken?
No. You don't know how you do the fried down chicken, baby. You don't know what I go on, man. You know business what kind of medication.
Alright, I fried down chicken. I change my mind. I fried down chicken, man.
No, you can't do it. Them so small.
Why I can't?
No, they're not so small. A curry small.
You don't worry about my fried down chicken. I see them fried down, cook down, everything. It's still gonna taste the same.
I not eat none though.
Good for you, oh my God.
I tell you what, I fourth date now
This fruit's fast?
Yeah.
What that is?
Yeah, because the day when I do the video, I do it the day before. With the little fruits over there, and then the next day now we go get fruits. Yo, the mango, yeah.
Nice.
Yo, I get them my HEB. Where get them HEB? Them nice, bro. Yeah, man. My banana, my this and my that and all them something there, so. And my key lime and them something there. So when I juice the fruit, I put key lime in it. Yeah, and then I have herbs. Whoop of herbs, all kind of herbs.
Yeah, I don't know. So baby, what do you think, boy? I want to ask you something.
So ask her.
What do you think, boy? Like, are you a new millennium type of guy, or are you an old school?
Man, not even know when
type of guy?
I went in them start.
No, like nowadays, old people. Cause you know nowadays people do things different from people back in the day.
Like depends on what.
Like,
enough things we have to change. We have to change up because the dressing, me have to change up because everybody are dressed different now from when me a boy. And a whole of things. I'm gonna do some of them and not do some.
Okay.
But
like, what you think about, like, you know how some man will be like, oh, the woman stay warm and cook and clean and take care of the kids and the man go work, or use a new millennium type of guy where like, hey, my wife can do what she want to do too. And
so you have to ask that? You don't know?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so you want them know?
Why you tell them?
Okay, yeah man, you do what you want to, man. Cause remember when you're when you're pregnant, I tell you, yo, you're not go back to work, you know, yeah, baby, you know.
Right.
And you just stay home and we just take care
yes.
of it. Yeah.
People, we have to do a story time on that.
Yeah. So
when I have my son.
So
yo.
Alright, nobody start it.
Best.
Another vlog here now.
Yes.
But here me I say, if you want to look work, you look work. You understand?
Right.
Cause I don't like say, cause I have no problem because you know nasty. Look on the place. Always clean and smell good and say our liquid I not even know some wax business
wax and
yeah, I mean.
I love candle.
And candle and something. Say alright, look on the candle. Me never see a candle big so. Hold on, let's see me can open my phone. Watch out. 2, 4, 6 or 7 weeks, you know this, you know? Alright. So she always so me not no problem with if you want to go look at work or if you don't want to go look at work.
You just don't want a lazy woman.
I'm not even lazy. Nasty. Because you have people clean, you know, but then lazy, you know, they don't go look work, you know.
Right.
You understand me, I say? So lazy and nasty is a two different thing. Although lazy people mostly nasty too. But you have people out there where have the 9 to 5 and y'all walk and them stop and give y'all a ride and it come like a rubbish pan you're going on. Yeah, that's nasty. Yeah, man, me know them that kinda. Can
you have some money, you know, them that is like, them must say, yo, I want my woman working, I want my woman stay home and cook and clean. But then again too, you have them some of them man there will talk about them, they want wife work and woman work and they stay home and do kids and whatever. I work that.
No, but the next thing, me cook, clean and do everything too. So me not have
so that's some love boy you.
Yeah, me not a problem.
That's some love boy you because you have some man that not do it. Them not do it.
You have some man, alright, let me tell you this. Me grew with my grandmother. My grandmother have me from she at 3 months old. From me at 3 months old. Right? And my granny not teach me to cook. But as she teach me, here she do. Every time she go cook,
right,
she say, yo, come sit down and watch me, you know. Because girl will give shit for them. Always when she go cook.
Yeah.
So me always there on the fireside because a country me come from way back in the 70s and 80s and something. So you know a wood fire out a door and all these things and yeah, give thanks to my granny, man.
Big up yourself, Lens.
Yeah.
Peace, granny.
Cause my granny and my mother and my father and everything. And my granny now one, so 3 now one she a deal with. You see me? So me grow different. You understand me I say? Me not say boy. Everybody what do what they want to do. But when me think say it better if you in the house and help the woman. Cook, wash, clean. Cause alright, new millennium, right?
One on the 1 second the pop. I don't mean to cut you. Yeah. I don't only lime there. Them clean on you.
Yeah. So you have lemon there too?
Alright, give me one lemon. Pass on lemon to me there.
Alright, me think there and come back. Yeah. She never want to put her raw and in the
none at all.
In the basket with the fruits. So nope. Me take out there and cut it for her too. That, yeah.
I normally do it before.
Yeah, no, me just have them know. Because normally when I vlog when you do it, so me tell them why me cut. Because me have to cut.
Yeah, guys, me use
well, I have to cut the video and then me have to cut the lemon.
Me use lemon, lime, clean chicken because the vinegar to me is too harsh. Yeah. But if only vinegar me have that me gonna use, but come like the vinegar cook the chicken.
I not too like a vinegar business. So I prefer because no matter how much lemon or lime you put on it, when you cook it now kinda or when you done it now smell like kinda, but when you use the vinegar you smell it.
You say me eat one fried chicken.
A vinegar in it.
Already, me not gonna say or what.
But you don't have to say it neither. You just know say it's full of vinegar.
Yes, it's fucking chicken full of vinegar. Fried chicken, you know?
You sure I let me when fried it?
Bite the chicken and I say, oh, this a chicken that tastes like vinegar, sir.
Hey, baby.
Huh?
You sure fried chicken? Got no oil. Them frying a vinegar.
Well, I don't know what I'm fried in oil. I don't want to do that the chicken, but anyway, you never do.
What would you talk about? Oh, the millennium people them now.
Yeah.
Alright. I'm going in a frame. Millennium, you know, we have washing machine and all these things. When I grow up, you have to have hand.
True.
You have to have hand. If you don't have hand, you get checked. You have to wash in a big pan and all them something and spread it pan line or fence or them something.
I guess we did spoil when we grew up because my grandma did that. When my grandmother did have me. I help her wash food clothes.
Well, that's how you go. No, what me I try to say, because enough people really grow in the area. What me I try to say, a lot of man, I say, oh, nah wash this and me, nah wash that and come on, brother. You have a washing machine. See? You can't
say if your woman sick and can't move, can't do nothing, you're gonna sit down and make the dirty clothes and pile up? No man would do that, you know? Them sit down and make the clothes and pile up, but you not do that.
Like me I say, them always I say, enough man I say, right, them now wash this up. Brother, you not have to use your hand wash. Everybody right now have washing machine.
I'm gonna tell you, me leave a woman for do most of the housework, yes, because a lot of man them have to go out, they go get it. You understand? I take care of family. But hold
on. So suppose the 2 we are go out, they go get it.
That's not true. We have to help out.
Oh, okay.
Come together as a team in our house.
Alright. Let me tell you. Me clean. But me love when she clean. Because when she clean, it's like you see the difference in the house. You understand me I say? Me don't know what she do, how she do it. And me don't know. Me just clean and it don't look like when she clean. When she clean, it just totally different. And
yeah, I always say that.
Yeah, but our facts.
Yeah, I always say that's a BS. How you do? How come Otis looks so different from what me do it?
Yeah, man.
I said, boy, I don't know what I'm doing now.
Alright, but let's go. Alright, remember I said, alright. Me take a you take a break and then me I carry the kids them go to school, right? Pick them up. Then one next time you do it. So I just saw you have to help out your partner, brother. You can't not because you go out and get the money. Because the kids them like that, you know, when you are drop as the father I drop them off and pick them up and all them something, you know. Alright. Yeah, I mean, me don't know, but them
talk about it in the video.
Them can do what they want to do. Me know me I do. You understand me? I say because me never have no father or a father figure in my life. Let me tell you, me get a figure father that way down. That was Renford, that a Renisha father. Him, trust me. What all who
would have come like your father figure.
Yeah, because him, yo, the man they just different, brother. The man they, God bless them man they bridging. The man they just like, when I the only stepfather when I just claim. Say I'm a stepfather this. If my mother not there again, I'm still say I'm a stepfather. I respect and rate the man. The man, it's like the man just different. Like me say, when me younger, me a part with bigger people. You know what I mean? Big man and them something. So me kind of grew up fast. But out of all of them man there, when me par with and stepfather and all them something and all some elder cousin and uncle, Renford, different. Yeah man, so big up yourself Renford Blake. Yeah man. No matter what I go on with you and Sharon, you're my stepfather. Period. No other, nobody else. Nobody else.
What?
What me I go do one day? Me know people are gonna bash me, but people are gonna understand. Me I go sit down. Well, probably a different episode me have to go give them because my life so long and ups and down. But me I go talk about my life from remember.
Alright, what?
All who deal with me so and me just call name. I don't care. You understand me? I say so one day me I go do it.
That's your story. That's your journey.
So probably me have to go do it in a 3-part. For just like some 20 minutes, right? Yeah.
Well, it depends on what the people them want.
No, I know what they want, you know. Me I go tell, I put it out. Right. My life story. As me say, a lot of people are going to bash me. And a lot of people are going to understand. You understand me I say?
Well, who bash? Who understand.
So me say the youth from, what them call it? From England. One youth this with the wind, I don't remember when. He win something about England him there. And him start talk about his mother. And people are bash him. Right?
Right.
Me say Cargo come out and talk about his mother, people bash him. Brother, listen me I say man. Whether your mother or father, if you don't do the right thing, you just don't do the right thing. If you do the right thing, you do the right thing. So if you do the right thing, people are going to say you do the right thing. If you do the wrong thing, why not talk to?
Right.
You understand?
People only want to talk about the
Okay.
They don't want to talk about the bad, you know, because sometimes the bad get to the good, you know.
Alright, so it's like me I talk too much about that something, so I think about
yeah, that's another video.
Yeah, the next video that.
What does they cook? I would have vibes out, you know, from the little Sunday. I not cook a traditional Sunday.
Traditional?
Rice and peas and oxtail and all that.
Okay, I guess so. I mean, I want none of them something again. You remember when me stop eat all of them things and I eat vegetables and fruits and all alkaline food?
Yeah.
I need that sick. My hemorrhoids never bother me.
Right.
No, so I go back right down in the corner there. Yeah.
Guys, I'm making curry chicken. This is it right here. I put all the seasoning on there. I'm gonna rub it up now. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks once I rub up everything together. I got curry. I got onions, scallion, thyme, pimento, all them good spices and everything. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna rub it up now. Stay tuned. Guys, my curry chicken, y'all. Ready for the stove. Stop playing with your girl. Yes. Curry chicken I go up on the stove. So I burn the curry a little bit. And so I get ready for cook, people. I'm getting ready to cook. Not your traditional Sunday dinner. But this is what I want and this is what I feel. Actually I told her I was gonna cook the curry chicken and she said she wants some, so you know all that go already. So yeah, people stay tuned. I'll be in the room like the emerald take him. Cause him in the room right now. Run go around the boy. Ooh. Emerald is on the attack. When you know see Hubby, Emerald is on the attack. But to the stay tuned, him soon come back. Curry chicken under fire, chicken under fire, under fire, under fire. Oh, the chicken under fire. Oh, but on spice.
Yeah, I'm do money now.
Boy. You have to take it off because it's not going too bad.
Yes, it.
Eat.
Oh, too hot.
Yeah, you want it, you know. But see it there? See it there, people.
Yeah,
you know. Curry chicken up on the fire and thing. I go on, I wipe down everything already. Sanitize down, bleach down everything. I just now I'm gonna put on some rice, but I'm not ready right now.
And look on them buckler. I seen the.
Oh yeah, Cindy family cuisine.
Yeah, I should bring some green juice for it. So guess what now? Them here are my buckle now to put my fruit juice. Cause I go buy fruit and juice it and bottle up and me and my baby. Right,
baby. Keep that punch.
So you say you have the rice, but when that's soon ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I can't do anything, you know. Cause I don't want none, you know.
How much time you can say that? Like you well want some.
Well want some, yes, but me have to fight it. That's why me have to say it so much time. Yeah, I mean, for kind of.
But every time you say it, you're gonna just make yourself miserable.
No, me not get miserable, man. Me just have to say. Me put in the brain, say, yo, don't eat.
That's all you wiggle, sir. Oh, you wiggle, sir.
Dance, me a dance, man.
The music down for me.
I have my earpiece in there.
Really? What ya? I must say every dance that.
Awesome. Right.
Boy. Same people some East team just love wipe and wipe. I was a wipe somewhere. I'll clean up some.
Now real talk.
See me, I'm a pot. Think I'm about to wash my rice. I'm a pot ready. Stop playing with your girl.
Alright. You're not getting none.
Why you tell lie?
What?
See I cook.
No, me I cook for you.
Me catch you try run, you know.
When?
Me catch you a while ago. I run around the corner. You tell lie and I run and go hide.
Yeah, me I tell me I cook for him. Me never said that food I cook.
So where you cook for him?
After you done.
What is it? Where you go cook for him?
Me I cook some curry chicken and white rice for him too. Get that for myself.
You're full. You understand? Me not gonna bother with you today.
Yeah?
Where you go cook curry chicken? And my chicken you got teeth and give him and talk about your cooking.
No.
What do you mean?
Sonny.
What's Sonny there? What Sonny room? Sonny have LED light. Oh, speaking of, hi Sonny, say good morning.
Good morning.
Speaking of that, no. This is not going down like this. Speaking of LED lights, sir, where did I put up fuel on? Cause from when I buy the light, I not put up it.
But as me I say, me electrician, right? You never tell me or ask me the price nor nothing how much to put up this. You just go and buy stuff. Me not work so.
Price? Price for what?
For electrician work. You know when I use them things, then I will shock you.
Stop act like you don't know how much pay you. Don't act like so you don't know how much pay you.
When I am paid now then.
You can't get a pay now.
When we can get
because
hold on. When we can get paid?
When the job done.
No, more than that.
When the job done, nobody gets paid before the work is done.
No, how me run the thing, you put on a deposit and lock the date, and then after me finish, you give me the rest.
That's for people out the road, that's not for me.
No, that's for the business. So what you do? You put on
you're not record me. You're not video.
You put on a deposit tonight.
No, we're not do this.
All right.
No, wait, hold on.
If you put
wait, no.
Tomorrow I put it up.
No, and that's why you're not gonna dictate this thing, right? You know why?
Dictate thing.
You know so we can't, but no, enough fear. Oh, you're gonna dictate my thing, and me ask you first for put up a light, and you're gonna come tell me about pay. When me ask initially for put up a light, you should have tell me say pay involved. You never tell me that. As a thing go, so as a business run, you know run the business good.
So hold on there. If me tell you say you have to run money, where you do send it back? You send back the light them?
No, I run the money.
Okay, well run money now and light up.
You're going like some broke pocket girl you have.
Yeah, man, say run money and then light up this evening.
No, you do the work and you get pay. I saw it go. Are you supposed to give me a discount to your bride?
Of course, me go get a discount.
So what's the discount should be put up the damn lights.
Come in, drive it, come in.
And then.
You know, come on, daddy.
Yo, people, about a month now, I beg the man put up a light.
Yeah, but remember with the sick too?
Oh, well, that's a truth too.
Alright. Let me look on it. I will me feel me sick. The 8th, right? I when it drop, when it's in reach. It reached the week before. So that's a week, and then through me did busy, and then same time me just get sick. And them so me still sick, man. I'm gonna get better, baby.
And if you do the TikTok, we talk about some. I'm sick. I can't go out. And then bush. You know the next clip. Yeah, people were there, checking up on the fire and things. See me, huh? See me, people. Darky.
Come on.
Oh, the room dark, sir. See, girl, need it.
Come on.
I'm gonna check for my chicken and I'm lucky. Different type of light. White light, yellow light, all kind of light in this house here. My chicken alright, man. Keep going. Sweat and cook and, you know? Yeah. Alright, so I need this for record now, you know. When the light go up. Tomorrow. Today is August the 29th. Alright.
Hold on there. I said, I only 2 more days left, 3 months.
3 months done.
And then my month starts. So I forgot to do it before, you know, because you don't know what. Oh, on operated birthday or something I deal with this. So from the 1st of September come, and my birthday, so I'm not going to do nothing. Until after my birthday, the 8th. And then the 8th is a Wednesday, so you know I'm not going to do nothing again until about the 13th, yeah.
What?
Mm-hmm.
You need to stick with your word and do it tomorrow.
Take out my sit. I want that sitting there for your head.
And draws it. Draws it. Yeah, you see if you have a braid them still, you could have put your braid them through it like this, you know?
Anyway, people, I'm gonna check for my chicken. Bye. Guys, I simmer down.
Yeah, so yeah, make it the chicken simmer down now. So you know what I mean. See that? Still a simmer down a little bit. You know what I mean. So you don't know the thing and say.
Stop looking at my pot.
You know a lot of people put what them call it, carrot in it, but baby don't like carrot in it. She just like potato. So I don't put any carrot in it today.
No, you don't put nothing at all.
Watch out the rice. Look at the rice. Look at that.
You didn't cook anything. Get out my pot.
Right.
Get out my pot.
People, remember I said the last time me bring on out of the room. When did they? Oh, if you cook on your under sheet.
Yeah, me I take a rest. I don't know the timing about the pot, so that's why I'm there go and chill, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah.
Really? All up in my face.
Yeah.
Thank God it's cute.
Yeah.
Let me stop. Let me stop. They always say self-praise is no recommendation.
Yeah, so you know, I don't cook no one thing, so I she have to just go eat it, because I'm not going to eat none. You know what I mean? Eh? It's stove.
Oh, cause you know what I got next.
Yeah, it's stove cook the food and, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Okay, let me try it back in 5 minutes. Okay, alright, boo. Okay.
Yeah, man, so that's the thing set, you know what I mean? I mean, cook the food. She go like that, she cook the food.
Where on you say? Where on you say? Where on you say?
I mean, I say nothing.
Me catch you now.
Catch me? When? Now which part?
Now, right also.
Okay. Yeah, I'm going. Oh, I put on the thing up on the TV. I hold up the TV. I have sense today, you know.
My house is, my food is cooked. My house is clean.
Clean. Yeah.
It's smelling good, guys. Yeah. Like the candle, some candle over there, sir. Bath and Body Works.
Tell you about them candle. What a candle share, you know. Not even know. Which party say that, baby? It's new.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
You don't know how me do my thing already. You know me love like my candle. Even though the food overpower the candle right now, but
that's up for now.
That's up for now. When the food simmer down, candle rise.
I watch your shadow now.
People my hours are clean.
Always. You.
What you show in the living room, you ruining the vibe of the
Me now watch nothing.
What you doing? Put it on the fireplace?
No.
Yes.
No.
I always wipe the floor and something, cause my son him love flip on all kind of stuff all over the floor. So at least we know the floor are clean. And more while we use our little bleach cloth and so.
Or how real people make search better.
Ain't no saying floor no one white people come and wipe the floor already.
So you know, just like do it, baby. So I just say go. So let's go and do it. Cause you like to do it. So do it.
If you do something, do it. If you are do it. Become ding dong. Yeah, me can't view dirty house.
Daddy, look at my ears.
Yo, people remember all the house they look on the vlog when we did sick?
From when? Look out from the place.
It don't look not like that again. That look a hot mess. Level! Big up Level, big up Patakiri.
No, but I've got part thing there. Mute it, cause I don't want copyright on the vlog.
Ah man.
Yeah, I'm gonna shoot this the 14th of this month. Yeah, what you sick out and thing, you know what I mean? And respect Fatak here if you not call me and a cuss me. Say, oh, we pay your money already, I don't know your video. Respect.
My brother not do that.
Respect, brother. Cause you don't know a sickness, guys. No one knows if I never sickness. You know what I mean?
Come on, man. Fatak family. You don't know Fatak.
Put me in the vlog.
A week. And then you get it, you know?
Hi, guys. My name is Jaws Head. Because I got jaws on my head.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
And I want to say something to Fatak.
Just call him, no?
Big up yourself, my brother. Never make it at your party. You don't know me the book out with the makeup thing, but you don't know so sickness hold me. Not even get for doing any bookings them. But bless up yourself. Thanks for always support me. Thanks for support my makeup thing for your flyer. Of the people that my book and thing, and then you send money in my you send money my way, my youth, and big up yourself for that. You always support me. Give thanks all the time. Big up yourself for that. I go on map.
You're not do that to me, you know? But so you go. But I not do that to me, but damn, I need a slide. Whoa. But everything good. I see him also he come, you know.
Right.
You know what I mean? So go and big up yourself, Fatak.
Always support me.